Oh, hey, testing 1, 2. We are live, chat. Oh, sorry. I forgot to turn on my lights. And, oh my goodness. And let there be light. Now we're good. Good morning, Jake Dell, Timbo. Good morning, Black Coffee. Good morning, Deserved, Lawrence Harris, Micro Player, Anthony, Clarity Trader, Costy One. Good morning, John, Jack Wiley, Sean Evans, Michael. Good morning, everybody. Okay, we need to get ready. We need to prepare for the open. All right, here's the plan. I need to do this. Getting a pretty big move here right now. All right, I want to take off 3 and do 3 and 1. I'm gonna go with 3 minis. Or I mean 4 minis instead of 6. And then I'm gonna look for a runner. All right, we have, let's analyze this overnight session. All right, first of all, let's talk about Tradeify. Tradeify accounts, rip, rest in peace. Tradeify accounts are gone. This makes me a little bit sad, but it is what it is. Yeah, to think I was $1,000 away from getting a 10K payout. Just could not get it across the finish line, but I tried to recover those accounts last night. I was actually up $300 per account. I was trying to go for like 600. And then I was just buying. I was buying these pullbacks. I was up 600. And then I bought this pullback here and got absolutely destroyed. I mean, wrecked into oblivion. And then I tried to knife catch it somewhere here on the VWAP. Yeah, these are the kind of moves that I really hate when we're doing the grinding higher, because we just had like basically a 100 point rip lower, but then we just boom right back up. Pretty ugly price action after that. So, all right, we need to decide what we want to do. So we have the overnight lows are down here at the 190s. I am looking for a move higher right off the open. Good morning, Jack Wiley. Cly, good morning. Frosty Ducks, good morning. Niles, Jeff, Hawkeye Boy, Frank Mortimer, good morning. TCM Trades, David Huber, Giovanni Trades, Future Gamma Scalper, good morning. Good morning. All right, chat. I'm trying to, this is a difficult one. I'm gonna do 4 minis. We're gonna do 4 minis at the open, and I'm gonna take 3 of them off. But my 1 remaining mini, I am going to try to get a runner going right at the open. Now, who knows? Again, first and foremost, chat, number 1 thing is we have to accept a loss, okay? That's just how it is. There's a chance this fails horribly, and I'm at peace with it. If this is a $2,000 loss, I think we have $1,900 of drawdown on these accounts. You know, how hard can it be? But if we do, if it doesn't work out, it's okay. It is okay. We're going to be all right. I'm not going to complain. I'm not going to get angry. All right? I promise. I promise I won't get upset. So, I mean, this is kind of what I wanted to wait for. I was going to do a buy order right at the overnight lows, but now we are basically right at the overnight lows. Oh, man. I honestly am not sure. I mean, I was going to do a breakout. If we break above the 250, if we break above the 250 here, that was a buy order to go higher. I'm not sure. I mean, going short here is also an option. We could do a sell order below the 186s. I don't like that as much. That's a tough one, man. Yesterday's open was right here at the 160s. I think what I'm going to do is we're going to have a buy order at the 156 or 160 area. We'll have a buy order right here, or we'll have a buy stop order above the 255s. Now there's a chance that neither of this happens and we just have a choppy open. If we have a choppy open, I would say after 3 minutes, like if we haven't had one or the other happen after 3 minutes of the open, I think we need to just wait and trade again and look for the trade tomorrow. I think we have to. So that's going to be the play. We're going to do a break above the 250s. And we're going to take profit right there. And then we're going to look for an actual rip higher. No promises. I'm just going to trail that. And obviously, this stop loss is going to be whatever it is. It's a little risky. I feel like we've seen a lot of these kind of wiki. We got to be okay with it. And then my other order is going to be right here. Can I do an OCO order here? Let's do OCO orders. Oh, it doesn't let me do that. This is unfortunate. It's not going to let me put it in because I have 4. It's only, yeah, I know why. I mean, honestly, I should be. And I think we just have to be quick. We just have to place this order and cancel this one. We're just going to have to be quick. Whoo! Makes me nervous, chat. This makes me nervous. Feel like my buy order is a little bit crazy. I don't know, chat. This is what we're doing. Hey, good luck, John. Good luck, everybody. Lobster Dad, good morning. Matt 1, good morning. Max 90, good morning. Don't follow me here. Let's see what happens. Man, now I could almost do it right here. I'm going to do it. I'm going to get this break above the 220s if we can go. All right, looks like we're going to test. Okay, moment of truth, chat. No, it didn't fill me. Now I'm nervous. I'm nervous, chat. We're in. Don't do it. We need a rip here. We need a rip. No. We're cooked. We are cooked. Can we be saved? Oh my God! Let's go! Oh, let's go! Oh my! That was so close, chat. I had to close it when I had a chance. I gotta start. We gotta do it. That was crazy. Oh, that was so close. How close was it, chat? How close was it? We are above the buffer. That was lucky. Oh my goodness. We had to take that off. We gotta go. All right, now we gotta be normal. Let's my heart rate is like 120 beats a minute. I thought I saw negative 1600, but maybe I didn't see right. Woo! Pure gambling to start the day. Hey, we can call it whatever we want to call it. Whatever helps us sleep at night. Some call it trading. Some call it gambling. Whatever helps you sleep at night. Oh my goodness, that was rough. That was rough. The right play here, honestly, the right move was doing a short below this 190. The short breakout was the right move. No doubt about it. And this is now just continuing lower. All right, now my intraday drawdown is less. No, it isn't. Deserve. It shouldn't be. Let's check. Let's check, chat. What is my drawdown here? Look, chat. My drawdown right now is $2,060. Our drawdown, we have full drawdown. That was such a good decision to close that trade where I did. Oh, I'm so happy I just closed it because we would be cooked. Those accounts would be toast if I didn't. All right, I'm going to lock out. I am going to lock out of my take profit accounts. You know what we should do, chat? I just thought of this. I know this is high risk, high reward, but do we just do this trade every morning with these take profit accounts? Every morning, we look for $500 every morning. Only maybe trading 2 minis instead of 4, but I don't know, man. That might be something. We might be onto something. Hey, good morning, Win, Jim JB. Good morning, D Zerf. Good morning, Ace Undercover, Timbo. Good morning, Zero Cool. Good morning. Who said it? I actually did. I actually thought we were cooked, like for real. Okay, I'm gonna try to find. I'm gonna try to find how much we were in the red. I was scared because right on that initial, it just didn't quite fill me. And then it had a nice move higher. And then it came back down and I was like, oh, that's not a good sign. All right, let's see. So what was the low of that candle? 136. Oh my goodness, chat. We were actually so close. Chat. Look at this. Hang on, let me show you. Right here, this is how close we were. This is at the 139s. I don't think I can pause it. Actually, you know what? Let's slow down the playback speed to... Now, if you watch, right... No, I can't catch it. That was we were literally a couple ticks away. That is crazy. Wow, that is crazy. That is wild. All right, market ripping. Looks like the 130s. That was the move. You can use and to move frame by frame. Oh, really? You can. Oh, you mean the period and the comma? Oh, I see. Hey, some days you get lucky, I guess. Oh, you watching you? Yeah. Oh man, unbelievable. All right, market is moving today at the open at least. All right, we are going to switch over to trading micros and we are going to be trading Lucid accounts. The goal on these Lucid accounts is $150 profit. I just want to get above 150 in profit on these Lucid accounts. And then we will switch to Apex again. All right, now the daily chart. Daily chart is looking interesting. Starting to feel like we might be, are we going to be putting in a little bit bigger of a little bit more of a pullback here? But I keep thinking of, you know, the market only goes higher. That's the one area, that's the one thing I keeps going through my mind. Market only goes up. Yeah, Rector Visual. It's crazy. Do you also have issues with A-tests? I don't know. I don't use A-tests. Entertainment purposes only. That's right. Okay. I mean, I am kind of interested in a short up here at the 200s. This makes me nervous. Like, I'm going to try a short here at the 210, 200 area. But obviously, this is actually where I usually don't do so well with shorts, but I'm going to try it. Come on. I might enter here. Feel like we're kind of stalling here at the 190s, but no, maybe not. All right, I'm gonna look for a short here. If we if I get triggered, this is what I'm gonna look for. Are we gonna trap or not? Can we get a continuation, please? Man, do I want to actually... I feel like my stop should be up here. Do I want to do that, though? I'm going to play it by ear. Wait. I'm not in a trade. What? Oh, my goodness, Chad. I'm so dumb. No, actually, never mind. I'm a genius. I'm a genius. I forgot to forgot to change my copy trader to micros. I'm a genius. I never meant to take that trade. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. All right, now let's see. Man, I 100% thought I was in a trade there. I can't believe I didn't notice it sooner. All right. Let's do we try again? Do we try again? And this time for real. Oh my goodness, I feel like we need to. We're basically in now at a worse entry. Go figure. All right, this market's going to annoy me today. It's doing the old, it can't seem, it doesn't want to go lower. It's struggling. Man, I hate my stop right here. You know what? We're going to move our stop right here. That's where it should be. That's my stop should be right there. I might kill it before that. Come on, market. Just dump. Dump it. Why is taking so long? Dump. Dump. Do not trap the shorts here, please. Are you kidding me? Chat. My patience getting tested. Dump it. Give me some continuation, please. Dump. You know what? Let's do that, and then let's do this. That's my boy. Now keep going. I never trust the shorts. I never trust these guys. You can just never trust the shorts. Come on, just dump. Give me new lows. Let's test the 120s. Yeah, it's going to stop me. Watch. I hate the shorts. I hate them. That's so trash. Every time I go short for a continuation move, it just never works. It never seems to work on shorts. I don't know why I keep trying. I actually should just take that out of my arsenal. Like, I can't take a setup short. It's just, it seems like there's just never continuation. Hey, RXHX, good morning. All right, we might have entered the chop mode. Chop mode has been activated. In a bullish market environment, breakdowns have a tendency to fail, so only go long. I mean, I agree, Max 90. I do. I feel like I have a better success rate going short when I only look to like short, like a major resistance areas. Like a good example would be the 240s right here. I feel like my success rate is way higher when I only look for shorts at resistance areas and just never look for shorts for a continuation move. Like basically this short here is basically my bread and butter setup where we go with the trend, we're below the VWAP, we tap into the 2-minute 21 EMA, and I enter below the previous candle. And this is the one that just, in a bullish environment or a bullish market, this is way more likely to be a trap for the shorts than it is for it to be a continuation lower. I feel like I would be better off trading the traps here, only look for longs and only look for shorts at like resistance areas. And maybe just don't even look for shorts, to be honest. Nutty, mowing your grass became more expensive this morning. Why? Oh no, is oil ripping? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, there it rips. See? Another shorts. The shorts got trapped once again. I'm so shocked. In the bullish market, yeah, it's already done for the day. Let's go, RX. That's a great feeling. That is a great feeling. We might just chop around until FOMC. Yeah, Patrick Duran, I agree. We could. There is FOMC at 2 o'clock today, so be mindful of that. Okay, I mean, I feel like now we almost look for a continuation higher. I don't know. ES and Q are divergent. Oh, really? What's gold doing? Oh, wow, look at gold. Oil ripping higher. Man, with the way oil is moving, it's kind of hard to go long on the market, but why is oil going like crazy? That's kind of interesting. Man, right here is where I'm tempted to try the longs on this pullback. I'm going to do it. All right, we got that trade. This is starting to look like one of those. It's starting to look like one of those days where we have a little bit of a dip at the open. We sweep the overnight lows, and now we start grinding higher. That is what I feel. That's what I'm feeling right now. So we just gonna look. I'm gonna look to buy the pullbacks. Please remind me. Do not trade breakouts to the upside. Don't do it. That's always where I get destroyed on these type of days. Oil is news. What oil news is there? OPEC just lost a member. They lost a member, and that makes the market go higher. Oh, of course it does. It all makes sense. Oh, wait, there are oh, yes, you're right. Oil inventories. Thank you. That makes sense. 2 days ago, the UAE left OPEC. Oh, I see. That's interesting, man. Of course, oil has to go higher. Monday or next Tuesday, I'm driving 2,000 miles home with my diesel truck. I'm going to spend more money in diesel than a flight would cost to fly back home. That's kind of crazy. Trump and the oil companies also met and discussed steps to continue Iran blockade for months if needed. I see. Yeah, John, it's good times, good times. All right, we are testing the 240s here. This is the one area where I feel like if this is going to turn into a red day, we're going to reject hard off this 240, 250 area. But I don't think we will. I think we go higher today. The market went lower yesterday, which I doubt we'll do twice in a 2 times. It might. Who knows? I want to look at something. So we ended up bouncing right at the one. Huh. Oh, John, what do you got? I need this. I need the buggy. It would take me 2 weeks to get home. True. $6 per gallon of diesel in New York State. I mean, I'm afraid by Tuesday it might be $7 a gallon. Am I driving home to mow? No, actually, a big shout out right now. A big shout out to my brother. My brother that's still up in Ohio. He's actually the one that's doing all my mowing. He's doing my mowing right now in Ohio. Let me show you. This is what it looks like. I think it looks good. It's definitely looking like spring back home. The trees are starting to get leaves. It looks like it's raining right now. Also, tomorrow is a huge day. Tomorrow, it's going to be a huge day tomorrow for the pool. Tomorrow, they do the how do you call it, gonite or something? But basically, they will be putting in the pool, And Friday, they come back to do the acid wash on it. And then after the acid wash, Friday afternoon is pool fill day. We fill the pool on Friday afternoon. I'm so excited. Can't wait. All right, market. Let's see what happens. If we make a pullback into the 200, I think I'm going to take a long. I bet Alaska and Hawaii are really high in fuel prices right now. Oh, I'm sure they are. Wait, diesel in California is $7.49 a gallon? Ouch. That hurts. Ouch. All right, getting a pullback, testing the 110s. This is where I'm a little bit scared that, like, if this is gonna rug pull the bulls, we're just gonna have a straight move all the way down and make new lows. But right here is where I want to buy. This is right where I want to do it. I'm going to try it. We just got to get out. I can't bag hold this. My stop's going to be right here below the 190s. If we get stop, we get stop. Definitely feeling kind of bearish right now. This thing might just rip lower. And we are going to get stopped. Look out. This looks like it wants to. She dumping. And I'm tempted to take another long. Ugh. Oh, man, I'm tempted. I'm gonna do it. What time is it? No, it's not 10:30. Rip it. Come on, go. No. I'm too scared. That thing, I don't know. I don't like that. Looking, I don't know. Right here. All right, I'm trying it again. Just kind of scalping the 190s. I don't know, man. This thing doesn't seem to want to go higher. It's making me nervous. And I feel like the safe play is longs, but we're struggling to get going. All right, here we go. Trying to get above the 210s now. Trying to get above the, there she goes. That's it. Yeah, that's all right. Let's see if we make new highs. If we're really bullish, we got to get above the 240s. Wow, look at that. Just straight back down. This also could be what we see kind of the rest of the day. FOMC is today at 2 o'clock, so there's a chance we get a little bit of this. Wow, look at that. That is a typical, now, I mean, if this traps the longs might be trapped here above the 210s. We start to sell off here. I'm okay with just watching this. What the world? My chat was stuck. Hey, do you watch him and give him tips from the camera? Who's mowing in Florida when you're going? Oh, I see. What city water? I guess it would, yeah. But her email. Oh, yeah, you live in Kentucky, so you have a similar climate. Yes, yes, you would. Actually, Kentucky, you're probably a little bit further ahead seasonally, but actually, I do. Frozen North. What is the diesel prices in Canada? I'm actually curious. Matthew, so all my computer, I actually transport back and forth from Ohio to Florida. So that's part of the reason that I drive home is I'm actually my monitors, everything here in Florida stays here except my computer. My computer, I unplug everything and I take the cord and the computer home and that's it. We also have Meta, Google, Amazon, and Microsoft earnings at the end of the day. Oh, wow. That's going to be wild. I'm so tired of blowing accounts because of things like that and my impatience. The impatience I have probably my biggest hurdle. Yeah, I feel you, RX. I feel you. Why don't I just buy an extra PC? I don't know, because they're like $5,000 right now. So I don't know. Maybe at some point I will, but it's just not worth it right now. All right, I might try another long here, chat. Actually, I am going to try one. If we if the 180s here don't hold, I'm going to get out. And we got we might get stopped. Rip it. That's what I want to see right there. Now rip it. Oh yeah, baby. Rip it. Go. Oh no, you got to keep going. Rip it. That was supposed to just rip straight up. Maybe it will. Go. Rip. Yeah, this stupid market. You're very funny. Rip. Oh my word. Are you kidding me? You're a funny man. All right, there we go. I'm just basically scalping the 190s here. That's all I'm doing. It's nothing great, but it's honest work. Oh, futures gamma scalper. Oh, I completely forgot. You're right. It's been officially 3 years since I hit that live button the first time. Thank you, Futures Gamma Scalper. Man, I need to put that on. I need to remember that. April 12th was the first time I hit that live button, and I decided to torture myself in front of people. Oh, wow. It's been 3 years, chat. Look at us. You know what? Thank you, guys. Thank you. There's a lot of people here that have been following and for 2 years, 2+ years at least. I appreciate it, guys. I don't think it takes big marbles to stream. You just got to be kind of an idiot, you know? Just got to be a little bit missing up here. No, it is definitely not easy. I mean, you know what? I always get a kick out of people that hate. And I mean, I get some of the hate on affiliates and streamers. Like, I get some of it, but a lot of people don't talk about with affiliates and streamers. Like, it does, I don't want to say it requires talent, but it requires, I don't want to say that this is work, but it also doesn't happen without some effort. And it's like, you know, it's like, you know what? I always get a kick out of people that kind of, you know, oh, you're just an affiliate, you're just a streamer, you don't make any money trading, you only make money with affiliates, blah, 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 blah. Well, it's like, okay, then if it's that easy, go do it. If it's that easy, just go do it. I dare you. because it isn't that easy. But, actually, that reminds me, now would be a great time to actually share the story of, a lot of you guys have probably heard this story already, but part of my motivation to actually do the live stream, it was kind of twofold. So part of it was because I felt like if I streamed, I would do less dumb things and it would kind of hold me accountable. But the other part of it was also, I watched a lot of other streamers for about 3 months. And for about 3 months, I was watching other streamers, and I don't want to mention names, but like, the one thing that would drive me crazy would be like, it would be hard to follow someone's journey because they were always hiding account numbers. They were hiding their balances, some of them. Like, they just weren't, like, it was hard to know from one day to the next day that, hey, is this guy still trading the same account? Or did he blow his account and is he now trading a different account? And it's just, it was so hard to actually follow someone and to know, are they actually getting payouts? Are they actually profitable? Like, if you look at all of their expenses, it was so hard to know. And one thing I felt pretty confident in was I was only trading prop firms for 3 months. And I knew I wasn't being told everything when I would watch some people. And I'm like, you know what? I'm like, I guarantee other people blow accounts. It happens all the time, but nobody wants to show it. And I'm like, you know what? And then that was part of my motivation. But then the thing that happened that really put me over the edge was one of the streamers, he took like a week off. He just took a week off and he didn't communicate it to his viewers, nothing. He just took a week off, didn't say a thing to anyone. And I commented on one of his videos and I just said, like, hey, like, what's happening? It would be nice to know ahead of time. Like, let your audience know if you're going to take a week off. Let them know. Like, we want to know. And he replied and said, oh, if you think you can do it better, why don't you go do your own channel? It was, John. It was. And he basically said, why don't you go do it if you think it's so easy? So I'm like, okay, bet. I am going to do it. So I did. I literally, the next week, I started live streaming. And it's not easy, but here we are 3 years later. We're still here, boys. We are still here. And we should keep a track. I wonder how many blowups I've had to record. How many blowups have I had to do a recap on? It's up there, chat. It ain't. It's way up there. Actually, I am going to go back to doing recaps. I've got to do recaps. I got to. Now that we're in funded accounts again, I need to do recaps because, yeah, I just need to. Actually, I'll start tonight because I did blow these Tradeify accounts. I disagree. I would say it's lots of work, preparation, and pressure, having to constantly be entertaining, intelligent, and consistent. It obviously, like, okay, this is how I look at it. I've had a real job, okay? Like, I've had a real job where you go out in the workforce and you actually work. So it's hard for me to call this work because I feel like that's an insult to people that actually work. So I don't really look at it the same. But obviously, it also isn't easy. Like, because you do. You have to be. I mean, I've watched streamers. Like you're not going to grow an audience and you're not going to have any success on YouTube if you literally just sit here and watch the price and all you do, like you don't talk to your audience, you don't engage. Obviously, that's not going to work. So you gotta have a little bit of both. But in my opinion, this is what I think. I think people that watch streamers, it is way more important to be entertaining and engaging with your audience than it is to be a good trader. Because I don't think, again, I might be wrong, but I really hope I'm right. But I don't think people like watch people to learn how to trade. I hope not. Maybe you learn a thing or two here or there, but I just have a hard time believing that people are like, oh, I'm going to watch a streamer so I can learn how to trade. I mean, maybe I'm wrong, but I hope not. Hey, Jinzo, good morning. NBT called my mom fat. I'm going to start streaming and prove him wrong. Do it, Jinzo, do it. And that's how the NBTV was born. Telling the truth, it was PW. No, it wasn't. It was not PW that I was talking. It was actually, and I'm good friends. I'm good friends with this streamer, so this is no shade at him. So it was just funny how the interaction happened, and that is actually then what spurred me to start streaming 3 years ago. That's crazy. Hey, Sharouz. Good morning, Sharouz. How we doing? Clarity Trader, you're only here for the gossip. Yep. No, it wasn't Alpine. Nope. Alpine started streaming after I started streaming. How do you start streaming? I mean, it's not hard at all. Buy a $20 webcam, put it on your computer, download Streamlabs, and hit the live button. It literally takes that much work. Create a YouTube channel, hit the live button. It's not hard. Name the person. I'll tell. It was trading with Travis. It was trading with Travis, but like I said, I'm good friends with Travis, and I don't think he meant it in a like bad way. It's just funny how the interaction happened. Like it was pretty good. I thought it was pretty good stuff. He probably was, you know, annoyed that I was trying to tell him how to run his channel, but that is kind of the thing that put me over the edge. So I'm very grateful to Travis for giving me the final poke to streaming. But that is what happened. And here we are 3 years later. Did you tell Alpine maybe he should try streaming? Niall, so the way that Alpine happened, I was streaming, and Alpine was one of the very first people that started watching me. He started watching and commenting religiously every morning. Like, he was one of my first viewers that was like a very, like, he would be there every morning, and I just got to know him. Well, then I checked out his channel, and I saw that he had a channel, and he did, like, he used to, like, do trading content on his channel. And I started chatting with him, and I don't know if I told him he should stream, but, you know, I definitely encouraged it, and he started streaming, and the rest is history. At least I think that's how it was. I know he had some trading content and stuff before, but he used to trade small caps a lot. Was there any other streamers that you saw were making profit right as you started streaming? So the other guy that I used to watch a lot, and I think he's still around. I had a little bit of beef with this guy. I'm not going to go down that rabbit hole again. But the other guy that I used to watch before I started streaming, I haven't, man, where, let me check if I can find him. I haven't seen him. I haven't seen him in such a long time. What's his name? The panda guy. The panda guy. What's his name? Oh, okay. Bye money. Yeah. Actually, yeah, he does still stream. Oh man, me and him. I see. That's a guy where. Anyway, whatever. I kind of had beef with him because he kept trying to say. Anyway, you know what? I'm not even going to go there. But he was basically insinuating. First of all, he's trying to sell an indicator. More power to you, but he had a video 2.5 years ago or 3 years ago where he made X amount of profit and tried to portray that as a payout, and it wasn't. It was, yeah. Anyway, long story short, but I better let that one go. Whoa, market ripping higher. I should pay attention. We need to pay attention here, chat. I'm getting too nostalgic. We're getting too nostalgic this morning. He reminds you of Brian Stonk. Maybe it is. Yeah, I know. I forgot. I need to check the chart. I got to. All right, we are going higher, man. I kind of thought we would, and I kept buying the 190s here. I should have just kept doing it, and I should have held, but I'm okay with this. Now, the moment of truth. 250s are going to be important, but then the 300s. What indicator is your bulletproof? This is an indicator from Trade Devil Indicators called the initial balance. Guys, yesterday the pool guys came to install an alarm. So here in Florida, the code is you either have to have a cage or a fence. You either have to have a fence all around your pool, or you have to have an alarm on your back door, any back door you have, or any back windows you have. And my goodness, that alarm is so loud. And I have twice now almost died. Like, I'm not joking. I almost died. I forgot that there was an alarm, and the alarm is like right here beside your ear, and I go to open the patio door, and this thing is so loud, I almost had a heart attack. Actually insane and very annoying. The main people making money are the affiliates and the streamers. Mike Huddleston, I mean, it's true. Like, I never denied. Obviously, we make money as an affiliate, no doubt. Some people don't show you how much expenses you have and how much trading income you have. And I think that's why I do it. I think it is important that people watching have a realistic expectation of trading. You might do way better than I do. You might do way worse, but you at least deserve to have a realistic expectation. Man, we need a pullback here, chat. We really do. And I have shared my struggle. I think, or that's always like affiliates that don't show you the full picture. Like affiliates the worst affiliates are the ones that take their affiliate income and try to present it as trading income. Those people get my attention. I think that's just flat out wrong, but anyway, whatever. You know what else I've realized over the years? You know, over the years, you become wise or wiser. I hope I do. But one thing that I have realized in this industry is it doesn't matter. Like, it just doesn't matter, it seems. Yeah, exactly, Jinzo. Oh, and I've met Ben. I've actually met Ben personally. I went to New York trip with him. Let's just say that guy's going to be selling you courses, and he's going to scam you any way he can. That's just my 2 cents. I wouldn't trust that guy further than I could throw him. He's just the typical, all he cares about is nice watch. I don't know. It is what it is. It's just, it's so cringy. And then I see the stuff he posts online. It just, I bought my mom a car, which, okay, great. Yay, you bought your mom or your parents a car or whatever. Dude. And then, like, and that's great, but don't pretend like you did it from trading, okay? Stop the cap. Like, come on. It's the joke. Yeah, the Jinzo, that's the other thing that rubs me the wrong way. Yeah. Oh man, did we miss out on this trap? I really would like to see a pullback back into the 240 area. What do I think of Brian Stonk and Desi? I don't know. I mean, obviously, I think what Brian did with Apex, trying to run up those accounts, he knows what he did. But I'll be honest, there's probably been other people that have done the same or similar to what he did and got away with it. But he did not get away with it. But I mean, those are kind of typical cases where, you know, who knows what their expenses are? You don't know. But at the same time, like, I think they're very smart businessmen. I think they're very smart in a business sense, but they know what they're doing. They know what they're doing. There's definitely bigger fish to fry when it comes to fraudsters. No doubt about it. In my opinion, there's people that are, for example, look at Scooter Boy. All right. Look at Scooter Boy and go look at some of his Twitter posts and really inspect some of his payouts that he got with Take Profit Trader. Okay. He's literally trying to look like the payouts that he showed are literally, they look the exact same thing if you do a payout as an affiliate. I don't know for a fact, but those could all just be affiliate payouts. There's no way of knowing. Anyway, I don't know why we're going down this rabbit hole. I guess we do this because the market is going straight up now. We are waiting on a pullback. Man, this 250 was a trap. That was a trap on the shorts, but we can't go long up here. We can't do it. We got to wait for that pullback. I don't know either. So I'm afraid he's going to threaten to sue me again, so I better watch what I say. And then he's going to threaten to have me banned as an affiliate too. Douchebag. Hey, let's go. Let's go, Black Coffee. Rip that thing higher, baby. All right, the 280s here should be an interesting level. It should be. Can we get a pullback from here? Or are we just, oh my goodness, we are literally just going to go straight up. All right, fine. Man, as bad as it feels losing my Tradify account, not Tradify, yeah, Tradify, sorry. By the way, our budget, I'm not going to replenish these Tradify accounts until next month. So what is that, next week? Yeah. Is it already the 29th? Oh my goodness. All right. It's only literally one day. But I'm not sure. Tradify, I am feeling, man, Tradify, I've been struggling with Tradify, man. It's so funny because when I first traded Tradify, isn't it crazy? Like how you can just completely, it's just so weird. Let me actually look. Look at this market go. Wow, look at that. Unbelievable. Man, this 250 trap right here. Oh, that would have been beautiful. Market. This is all before FOMC. That's crazy. Nice trade, Black Coffee. Love to see it. And nobody should care about payouts. Follow your favorite live stream, and if you don't see their trades, they're a fraud. If you do follow their trades and you don't make money, wait, if you do follow their trade, yeah, I mean, see, that's where I disagree. I think anybody that follows his streamers' trades is cooked. You are cooked. It's not only because you're cooked because you're following someone else's trades because they're a streamer, but I could never do that. See, I don't understand people that do that. If I followed someone else's trade, do you know how mad I would be if I lost? Like, I would be so upset. Like, legitimately be mad. It's like, I would never do it. It would upset me. If I'm going to lose, if I'm going to blow accounts, or if I'm going to have a losing day, whatever it is, I'm going to do it on my terms and my own decisions. Like, that's why I never understood, and I just can't understand the paid discords and buying. Like, I guess I get it to a certain extent, like trying to learn something, but trying to follow people's trades is just, I never get it. Man, this thing is really gonna, okay, the overnight lows are at the 317s. Do we buy this little pullback, chat? Well, I guess if we look on the bright side, at least we're not trying to short this rip higher. So there's that. All right, I feel like we need to pay attention here. Oh, but what I was saying, look at Tradify. Good example. These are my payouts with Tradify. And I literally have 1, 2, 3 pages, 4 pages, 5 pages of payouts. My first payout, do they not have a date on these? Why do they not have a date? I don't know. But I have 26 payouts totaling 74,000. I haven't received a payout since here. Why didn't I wish they had a date? I don't know why They don't have a date. Oh wow, I didn't even know you can get a lifetime payout certificate. What? Oh, here we go. Here's the date. Look. August of last year was the last time I got a payout with Tradeify. The struggle has been real. The struggle has been real, man. Dude, I'm going to be look at this. I didn't know about this. Look at this payout certificate. That looks pretty sick. That's pretty sick, I got to say. I might frame this and send it to my mom. I'm gonna frame this and send it to my mom. Like, look, Mom, we made it. We made it. They gave me a gold Lambo too. Let's go, chat. Oh, man, that's pretty cool. I did not know they had those. I might need to make a post on that. Got him. The Tradeify curse. It is. I just can't seem to do it. I am definitely convinced there are times when certain prop firms you just can't get across the finish line. And then it starts to get in your head. And then that's never a good sign. That is never a good thing. Market, come on, man. Don't. I want to see it pull back into the 280s. I really do. Come on down. That's it. Come on down. That's it. Come on. Trying not to chase this. I didn't realize Tradeify limits the number of accounts you can buy in a specific period. I did not realize that either, RX. John. That's hilarious, John. You got 2.7K payouts in 1 month or so in October, and then I struggle from then. Yeah. Come on, market. I guess I could have jumped in here, but I want to actually wait for a good entry. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't go high. We're just going to rip straight back up here. Please don't do it. Man, I'm having thoughts about chasing this. I'm going to do it. I'm kind of chasing this, so we'll see. I love to take profit at the 320s. Chances that I hold until the 320s, 0.001%. Now, I might DCA here. This is one of those trades where I might DCA, but I'm hoping I don't have to. I'm hoping the market remembers. The markets only go up. Give me that straight ripper and make new highs. Do it. Rip, rip. Hey, Kevin Smith, we did it. Don't ask how I got them to the buffer. It wasn't pretty by no means. It was pretty ugly and extremely lucky. Come on, baby. Rip it. Go. Go. Give me the 320s. Do it. Do it. Come on. Go. Oh, you. Don't fake out here. We need this to take out the 320s. We need this to take out the 320s. Do not fake out. If we fail to make new highs here, we might have a problem. Come on, baby. Push. You stupid market. Can't go and do much. Attempts are ridiculous. Got a heat stroke mowing the lawn. That's crazy, Captain Crunch. Yeah, I wonder what it would be like in Florida during the summer. Like if we lived here during the summer, I'm really curious, like how I would like it or not. I mean, I feel like I couldn't even play golf, right? If you wanted to play golf, you'd have to play in the morning. All right, this market. Do I just close this chat? Nah, we're not going to close it. We're not going to close it. Hey, RX. Take care. Really, market? Really? You're such a pansy. What a terrible. I hate. Man, I am seriously thinking about adding here. So annoying. Why are you so annoying, market? Explain that to me. Now rip straight back up where you came from. Come on. Ribbit. You know what? I'm just going to do this. I'm going to do this. And then I'm just gonna have a stop here. Rip! Come on, baby, go! Give me the 320s. Go! Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Now keep going. My friends play golf at 6 a.m. It's the only way during the summer. See, that would be a problem, man. All right, market. I'm getting annoyed. I'm gonna close it. I'm gonna close it. I feel like we are losing momentum to the upside, and I just don't want to be holding this if we see a bigger drop. Feel like this thing, we could come test the 260s. Man, I might. Oh, this is tempting me to go long again. I'm getting tempted. It makes outdoor stuff not fun at all. It truly sucks, but winters are fine. Yeah, I can imagine. That sounds like winter up north. That sounds like a winter up north. I'm really curious what FOMC is going to do today. Like, are we going to see a big move? Are we just going to, is he just going to be choppy? Last couple FOMC has been very, I don't know, very kind of meh. I would take a hot summer over a freezing winter any day. I mean, that is true. You could play golf in the summer, but you definitely can't play golf in the winter in the north. But I could imagine playing golf in the summer in Florida is going to be a challenge. Man, I feel I might take it long here. Oh man. I think this is going to rip through the 320s and I'm going to miss it. Yeah, we're going to miss this now. Unfortunate. I don't know, Chet. I want to go long here so bad. Oh, I want to do it. My goodness. I do think this is going to rip. And, oh, I might just. This is such a bad entry here. I can't do it. I'm going to regret this. I have serious FOMO right now. Serious FOMO. This is probably a dumb entry, but I got to do it. The FOMO is too strong. Come on, rip it. Come on, go. Go. Rip it. Rip it. Really? We need a pop. We just need one pop. Right here, do it. I should probably take profit here, but I'm too stubborn. I'm not doing it. This thing's going to hit my target. Go. Go. Ribbit. Holy cow. Now I'm getting annoyed. Now I'm getting annoyed. Okay, now I'm mad. Why does the market have to be so stupid? Just go higher, you idiot. Rip. Go. Go. I'm going to go get a Coke Zero. I'll be right back. We're back, chat. Oh, really, market? You think that's funny, huh? You've got to be kidding me, man. Stupid. I should probably close this. I should probably close this. Really starting to not like this market. And somehow I'm gonna do a full investigation into this. No expenses will be spared. But somebody drank my last Coke Zero that was in the fridge. Fingerprints will be pulled. Right now, right now we have a suspect. He's about 12 years old, stands at about 5'10", and has blonde hair. Current suspect. Sometimes referred to as Nutty Jr. or possibly referred to as Kevin. And we're stopped out. You know what, market? You can just go fly a kite. See if I care. Bite me. Stupid market. Okay. What is your evidence? He's innocent until proven guilty. Well, I'm about to go interrogate him. Whoa. Why don't you keep a mini fridge in your office? Now, there's a guy with a brain. There, now we're talking. That's very smart of you. "12 hours under the spotlight, he will come clean." Now, I guess my wife, maybe I should put my wife as a suspect because I questioned her about it. She claims she put the last Coke in the fridge on the door, and then she threw out the empty case. We might need to start there, and then we'll work our way through. Feel pretty strongly about my suspect, though, because I know I didn't drink it, chat. I know it wasn't me. I am pretty sure the last time I had a Coke Zero, there was still 3 cans left in the case, and now it's empty. There's just no way. I did not black out, honey. She's accusing me of blacking out and drinking Coke. No shot. No shot. We will find it. I should get Kevin down here and interrogate him live. And the pullback continues down to the 270s. Man, I want to buy. I'm going to try it again here. Color me stupid. And we'll try again. I still think we take out that 320. I still think we take out that overnight high, but it's also a chance I'm just chasing this, so don't follow me. It goes without saying. Are you kidding me? Are you serious right now? I mean, the 250s here, now we've kind of got ourselves in a pickle. Do I want to do this? This is a bad idea. All right, we might be cooked here. 250s, we gotta hold. We got a hold right here. Hold the line. Hold the line.
Yes. What's
Kevin Miller.
what? What? Just what?
Chat, he even brought the evidence.
Listen.
Okay, listen.
Let's listen.
How many Coke Zeros did you drink? If I go up and check your trash can, how many will I find?
Okay, you're gonna do like a whole FBI search here, I'm guessing. I would say, when do we get the case?
I don't know. I just want to know how many of these cans will I find in your trash can?
Either 4 or 5.
4 or 5?
How many have you had?
That's not what's important. You know what? Here.
See, he had like 40, and yet he's telling me, oh,
take your evidence,
5.
leave, and we'll deal with you later.
Don't act like you're gonna like punish me or something over Diet Coke.
Can't believe you stole my last Coke.
See, I'm better.
Hang on, chat. We need to pay attention here.
People are saying that I'm the better streamer in chat.
The perpetrator has been revealed. Yep. Not even trying to hide it.
Okay, so first of all, Mom told me to bring this down into your.
Oh yeah. I know. Did you or did you not take the Coke that was in the side door of the fridge?
I did not take that.
Hang on, we gotta rip. This is a terrible.
Oh wait, I did. Oh. I thought Mom. Oh, there's only one. I thought Mom was like, oh wait, there's only one left. I'll just put the other one in there. Were you saving that one?
It was the last Coke. 0.
And I wanted it. So
oh. Big deal. All right. We are a Coke chat. This thing is dumping. All right, you can leave.
Is that an order?
Yeah.
Will I take it as one?
Can't believe it. Can't believe it.
Chat. Who's the better streamer?
Oh, don't even start.
Who's the better streamer? Who is the better streamer?
Thanks for admitting it.
Now, whoa there. I didn't admit anything.
Yeah, I did.
I just told you something.
So officially, go out.
You better make us money.
He is officially, the verdict is in, chat. The verdict is in, and Kevin has been found guilty on all counts. On all counts. Sentencing at a later date. All right, market. Now I'm annoyed. Now I'm actually annoyed. I should have taken that loss earlier, but oh, that's unfortunate. The old dumpski, the dumperooski. We could not get above that 300. We couldn't. I can't believe we didn't take out the 320s. Man. I'm not done trying to buy the longs here. I'm not done yet. Maybe I am done. Oof, this is dangerous territory. Danger zone. If this doesn't rip here, we might be actually in trouble. I don't like that. I don't like that. Man, this thing really gonna dump that hard? That's unfortunate. That is so annoying. I couldn't get filled. Oh, I missed it. I missed it. I missed it. And now we're going to rip higher. Oh, it's going to be so annoying. Man. Just somebody is mowing the lawn. Crazy, man. Oh, man. Hey, good morning, Bella. How are we doing? Actually, we're doing all right. It could be better, but all things considered, I'm not going to complain. Pretty upset that I missed this move, and I know if I jump in here long, it's going to rip lower, and I'm going to just the bad things are going to happen. We look slimmer. You know what would make my day? You know how I would feel better? I would feel better if I had a Coke Zero to drink. That's true. This is true. All right, let's see. Do I? Oh, it's so annoying. Now I'm getting annoyed. Oh, no Coke Zero for you, no Red Bull for Alpine. Man, that's a bad time. Time to pull out the leather, but use it sparingly. Said in the Bible. Oh dear. I just knew this was going to happen, and I'm missing it. It's so maddening. The reason I kind of missed it is because I got scared. Took a big loss, and then you just get timid. You get timid on trying to re-enter. Hey, John, you got your first payout today? Let's go, John. Love to see it. I'm going to try Coke Zero today because of me. You know, I'm partial to Coke. We'll see if the Zero really is better. See, okay, I want to be careful that I don't say that Coke Zero is better than original Coke. But if you take in the fact that it has no calories, then it is better. It's very similar. So that kind of is a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer, man. You know I'm going to go make a grocery run this afternoon. We're getting more Coke Zero, that's for sure. Coke is very good. Yeah, Diet Coke is bad. Coke Zero, big fan. Japanese tea time? All right, market. I'm getting annoyed. This might be just how, I guess, I don't know. Man, I just don't know. I'm not sure what we want to do here. Oh, boys, hang on. Um, man, this thing really gonna go? Run your golf tape. What do you mean? Yeah, I'm debating if I want to do much right now because from now until 2 o'clock, feel like this thing's probably not gonna do much. At least nothing nice. Oh, hang on. Hold that thought. Hold that thought. What was that? Man. Starting to look more and more like this was all it was. Just a sweep lower and right back up. All I had to do was hold. Not really. Should have just held my intro down here. I tried to re-enter, couldn't get filled, and then I just kind of waited too long. What is your top higher volume indicator? I see it's blown up volume compared to the rate. This is the TDU Wada Tar explosion indicator. I don't know. I kind of use it, kind of. I don't use it for entries. I like seeing it, but wow. Well, chat. Whoa, what's happening? Something's happening, chat. Something is happening. I don't know what, but something's happening. I don't know what's happening. Yeah, it's starting trades by Neo. I agree. This makes me want to not trade. You know what I'm going to do, chat? I am going to go get a haircut. I'm going to go get a haircut, and then I'm going to be back, and we're going to stream around 2 o'clock for FOMC. And hopefully we can recover this Lucid account. I would love to get a $150 green day on this Lucid. So it's a little dangerous to trade this also, but I'm going to try. I'm going to do that. I'm going to run, quickly get a haircut. I need it. And then I'll be back. And I'm going to buy some Coke Zero. Facts, Bart. Facts. All right, chat. I'll be back around 2. Take care and God bless.